What is up, guys? I'm back with another video, guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, guys. Today I have another Stardew Valley mod. So guys, let's get right into the video. Guys, first I just want you guys to install Snappy, guys. It's just a mod engine you need to run every single mod in Stardew Valley. And I'll just link a Google Drive link for the Cjb Cheat Menu for Stardew Valley. Make sure you just download it. It'll be both links in the description below. So yeah, guys, after you have installed it, make sure you have WinRAR installed. If you don't have WinRAR installed, guys, there's no issues. I'll just leave it a link in the description for WinRAR. It just helps you extract these zip files. So just left click and just click extract here. You get two files. The first file you want to install is the Snappy file, obviously, because you need it to run the mods. So yeah, guys, just click install on Windows, install on Mac, on whatever software or OS you're using. So basically now, guys, you just want to find where your Stardew Valley is located and copy it, and just Control V it into the command prompt and just click 1 to install Snappy. It just takes a few seconds, not even a few seconds, guys, like a millisecond. So yeah, guys, after it has been installed, it will just create 3 new folders in your Stardew Valley. The mods folder, and inside the mods folder it will create 3 other mods. So you guys don't delete those, you guys do need those. So you guys pretty much just copy this mod you have just downloaded into the mod folder in your Stardew Valley. Just copy and paste it inside the mods folder, and yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. You have successfully installed a mod on Stardew Valley 1.5.5, and it has created this new Stardew Valley shortcut which you have to click to open. It might take some while on the first time, guys, but it does eventually load. Just give it a few minutes. Since it's only one mod, guys, it should load very fast, guys. And more exciting news, guys, Stardew Valley expanded mod is coming very soon, guys. We just had an error because with the new update for Snappy, there's an error that you can't install Stardew Valley expanded on 1.5.5 because Snappy is no longer supported one of the mods that are necessary to run Stardew Valley expanded. So guys, we're working on a fix. As soon as we release the fix, guys, we'll let you guys know. But in the meantime, let's check out this Cjb, I believe that's how you say it. Let's just go full screen and let's just show you guys the mod. So guys, pretty much just enables you to get every single item in the game, and essentially not every item, just tells you, enables you to enable how to change the time, the weather, more inventory, unlimited money, the power to change time, weather, like you can cut trees with one hit. Guys, I'll show you guys the mod and all its features in just a second, guys, and I'll show you how to enable it too. So yeah, guys, so once you're in the game, you simply just have to press the letter P on the keyboard and it will enable the cheat menu. So guys, let's just do that. So basically this is the Cjb cheat menu, guys. As you can see, you can get infinity health, infinity stamina. All these different options are available to you guys. I really do find this really cool, guys. So essentially you have all these infinity water in a can, one hit break. On money, as you can see on the right hand corner, the money is increasing in real game time, guys. As you can see, this is very insane, guys. So if you guys just want to, like, I went a bit crazy on the money, guys, but yeah, I'm a millionaire. Yeah, actually I'm a millionaire. Amazing. So yeah, guys, with $2.1 million, you guys can do a lot of stuff. Anyways, guys, there's other things you guys can do. You can also change the weather, as I'll show you guys later when we go outside, just to show you guys. And you also have some farm, just to make your life easier. Obviously, guys, it just doesn't make the game fun anymore. I guess not, I wouldn't say less fun. Obviously, you can test stuff, just see all the achievements, what you guys can get. I find that very fascinating. But guys, it's a very cool tool. You can even configure your relationships to make them all love you, guys. So yeah, guys, and get the different rewards essentially. I'll just go outside to show you the weather, and that was just the teleportation, guys. You can teleport anywhere in the map, which is super useful. I don't know why this guy wants to talk to me, guys. I was not in the mood. I should just said bats. Let's just quickly go. Basically this is the farm. As you can see, I did increase the speed in the beginning. Look, we're going super speed, guys. We're like the Flash from Avengers. Oh no, Flash is not from the Avengers, guys. Yeah, from DC, I mean Flash from DC. Faster than light, So anyway guys, as you can see, we did expand the storage. We have all of this. As you can see, your storage is expanded, and there's some other mods. So let me just show you guys the weather and how to change that, guys. So instead, you just click on the weather and you show. Let's just put lightning. Let's make it snowing. Or you can warp, or you can like warp, essentially teleport, guys. You can change the date, as you can see on the right hand corner. I'm gonna change the season right now, guys, to winter. As you can see, the season change, the year change, advanced, guys, bare knowledge. You can use all of this, guys. So essentially, guys, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you really do like the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and I guess I'll see you guys next one. You see, I just one hit that tree. This I'm Superman, guys. See you guys next time. Goodbye.